Hi everyone! In this video we will be discussing on what are the most common AI agents in 2025. Given the pace of adoption, one thing is clear. In 12 months, every enterprise workflow will involve AI agents. Not might, not could, will. So it's worth taking a closer look at how this is already playing out. Here are some of the most common and impactful AI agent use cases we're seeing across industries in 2025. Let's break it down. Agentic Reg. Retrieval Augmented Generation Reimagined. These agents don't just retrieve knowledge, they evaluate sources, reason over them, and produce contextually grounded answers. Used for internal knowledge assistance, intelligent documentation, and enterprise Q&A. Examples: IBM Watson's Perplexity AI, Glean, etc. Workflow Automation Agent. These agents orchestrate tasks across systems. Triggered by APIs, UI actions, or internal events, they can perform multi-step processes without human involvement. Think automated onboarding flows, approvals, or back-office operations. Very easy to build for everybody. Examples: Make.com, Flowways, and 8N, Relevance AI, etc. Coding agents, AI-powered development assistants that go beyond code suggestions. These agents can plan, refactor, debug, and even reason across repositories. Ideal for accelerating software engineering teams or bootstrapping prototypes. Examples: Cursor, Rucode, Windsurf, etc. Tool-based agents. Niche, high-utility agents designed to perform well-defined tasks with specific tools, from sending emails to querying internal search engines. These agents are easy to deploy and integrate into targeted workflows. Examples: Breeze, Clay, etc. Computer use agents, the most ambitious and most misunderstood. These agents don't just call APIs. They use the UI, navigating browsers, typing into forms, clicking buttons. Agents that act like humans powered by models like Claude and GPT-4. Voice agents, where Gemini meets the phone line. These agents handle support calls, internal queries, and sales outreach, all with voice. Examples: Eleven Labs, Vapi, and others, etc. This isn't theoretical. It's already happening. AI agent use cases are rapidly maturing, moving from prototypes to production across industries. And if your strategy still revolves around chatbots, you're already behind. The next 12 months will be defined by those who understand how to design, combine, and orchestrate different types of agents into real, scalable workflows. This is where competitive advantage will be built. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.